If you're tired of PRs piling up and releases getting stuck in QA, you need to hear about QA Wolf. In this honest review, I'm diving deep into their AI testing platform that promises fast, fearless releases using only what's on their official site. I'll show you a detailed overview plus a demo of how it works, covering both the strengths and the weaknesses. Gallery idea: AI agents map, automate, and run your tests in parallel so you can ship without delays. The first positive is their autonomous One-Fan Soltao Sepping feature. AI explores your app and documents workflows, learning from you to fill gaps. Tests then write themselves as production-grade code for web, iOS, and Android, supporting even complex cases like Canvas apps, mobile native media, email/SM, phone calls, drag and drop, accessibility, Salesforce workflows, visual diffs, performance bench. They also handle generative AI outputs with LLM as a judge assertions and MCP servers. A major plus is the use of open-source frameworks, Playwright, Language and Appium, no vendor lock-in, and you can export your tests. Another strength: parallel test execution with pre-warmed browsers and devices, plus run rules for complex test dependencies. They claim instant test starts and near zero false negatives, with one quoted customer running 300 tests in 11 minutes. For developers, Direct CI integration lets agents run full regression and smoke test automatically on PRs and merges, arcing, and physical hardware. Thanks for watching, and see you later.